Okay, I know some of you were wondering how the chickens are doing. So everybody's good. It's a little um, foggy in my camera because it's just getting acclimated to the slightly different temperature in here. As you see, the tent we created over all of our cages is holding up just fine. Um, all the chickens are good. Everybody's in good shape. A couple guys are cold. But in general, everybody's good. If you look, the temperature in here, about 35 degrees. So, and such. And everybody, minus being cold, everybody looks happy. If you want to see the hole that I had to come in, there's the chicken entrance hole. And I'll show you guys more a little later. Adios. This is the Baron without the window weather chicken update.